Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with AngelList step by step clearly. Create an AngelList account by visiting the AngelList website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Confirm your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Complete your profile by adding relevant personal and financial information. Navigate to the Investments tab on your dashboard. Explore the available investment opportunities listed. Use the filters to narrow down options based on your interests and budget. Select a startup or fund that catches your eye. Read through the details, including the business model, team background, and financial projections. Decide how much you wish to invest within the given limits. Review the terms and conditions associated with the investment. Click on the Invest button to proceed. Complete the required forms to finalize your investment. Monitor your investments regularly through the AngelList platform. Engage with the updates provided by the startups in which you've invested. Evaluate your portfolio periodically to assess performance. Consider reinvesting any returns to maximize your savings potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.